Alright, so the single that you have, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. The single that you're pushing is entitled again,
Visions of
Vision-
Missiles.
Visions of Missiles. What an interesting song, actually. What's it about?
It's about visions of missiles
So basically,
falling
that's
from
what,
the sky.
but do you really think of these things? Have you,
Well, you could put it any other way, di ba? Parang depends on how you view it. Pero basically, it came out 2 years ago from a dream. Like sometimes you dream stuff like that. And I've been interested with dreams, interpreting. There's this time just been dreaming of missiles and zeppelins, whatever. They're just falling from the sky, and I just feel primal fear. And I wake up and I say, okay, let's turn it into a song. Anyway, I think
Okay.
hindi naman ako nag-iisa. People dream about those things sometimes, I guess.
Alright. So.
Or if I'm alone, then maybe I'm weird. No.
But basically, these are all dreams that you were having. So.
Yeah, stuff like that.
So you are into dream interpretation. What's that supposed to mean when you dream of missiles?
It sounds phallic.
So it's a phallic dream.
Yeah, I've never actually went to a shrink, a therapist to actually ask.
Okay.
There have been different, I don't know, mostly they're like good interpretations, and I just,
Alright.
maybe because they're my friends.
Okay, so you
yeah.
just accept the good interpretations. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so how many songs do you have? You said you had an EP. What's the title of your...
Well, this new one is called Separation Anxiety, and it has actually 6 songs. And
Okay.
I wrote them all last year. There was the one that came out before it that was 2009. It was called the Middle Class Sensibilities. You could also find it on the web.
Okay.
It's everywhere. And yeah, mostly they're just personal songs, really.
Okay. Where do you usually play?
Route 196, Saguio.
Okay.
Depends, and
Alright.
last time, we got to play, it was really exciting because I got to play at the fully booked, because I really love reading books,
Yeah.
graphic novels, whatever. Then
Alright.
got to play at the top floor, opening for Pupil.
Oh, okay.
Which
So
was
this is
really
during their
awesome.
Video launch, right?
Yeah, have you seen their video?
No, I haven't seen
Yeah,
it.
you should check it out. It's really nice.
Yeah. Alright. Are there any non-musical influences in your music aside from dreams that you talked about?
How many?
What other things influence your music?
Well, there's like, different things. Religion, philosophy, graphic novels, really, and then real life, basically.
Okay.
Mas maganda kasi when you get your songs from what's really happening in the real world. Kaysa you make up a story that's completely fiction, although it will work for some people.
Okay.
But the better it is, mas maganda yung it's real,
Yeah.
so that people could, relate to it more.
All right, of course. Where can people get a copy of your EP or both of your EPs?
Well, I could get it at my gigs, and usually I announce it on my Facebook page. So
Okay.
I encourage everyone to add me up. It's facebook.com/mayabaluyot. And you can also add me up on Twitter. It's like twitter.com/mayonnaise. It's MEYONEYZ. Yeah, because sir, nauna kayo. Like, I respect them so much and I like their music also. But unfortunately, I have a name that's like, so, di ba? Mahal natin ang, musikang Pilipino, lahat. Di ba? So, yeah. So, they could go there and at mayabaluyot.bandcamp.com.
Okay.
Soon I'll be selling it online.
Okay.
Yeah.
Through what avenues will you be selling it online? Through Bandcamp? Or
Yeah, Bandcamp.
Also through Bandcamp.
Most
Okay.
likely.
All right. How long have you been playing?
Well, that's a good question. When I was 5 years old, I always wanted to be, sabi ko gusto ko maging conductor. Hindi sa bus,
All right.
although marangal na trabaho yun. Like really arrange music.
Okay.
I really want to learn the violin. And then eventually, I learned how to draw and stuff. Then I got to touch the guitar for the first time when I was 12. And usually we learn the guitar when we're in school, di ba?
Yeah.
So we want to be in a band, we want to express ourselves. Like Madonna, and stuff. So got to learn the guitar, then the drums. But publicly, after graduating in UP, then after film school, Yun, experiment. Then 2009, that was it. I just risked it, just made an EP with my friend Javier. He's working somewhere now in Channel 2. Anyway, we worked on GarageBand. Okay, I had no bandmates. I had no nothing. Okay, just the music, and I said, "Tara, let's record it and screw it, whoever. Bahala na." Just for the love of music, really. Just send it everywhere. Then in 2009, that was February. Come June, Jugs Dugueta, of Itchy Worms. Because we're both from Tarlac, he's from Anao.
Okay.
Sabi niya, paano, ganda ng music mo, sabi sa Facebook. Nasaan? So luckily, may never daw sa garage, but pinakita ko.
Yeah.
Then NU, I'm guessing somewhere in Oblivion, playing.
Alright.
And here we are.
Awesome. Okay, so, alright. So
God is good.
Yeah.
And you guys are.
Thank you for playing with us, for us tonight.
And just add, because this is also important, that time talagang, that gave me confidence when, sino nanood ng reunion concert ng E-Heads?
Oh, I did.
Diba yan? We were all there.
Yeah.
Tapos multiply days nun. Tapos, diba? Wala na yung multiply, puro shopping, ganun na lang yun. Then yun, si Marcos, he was making a film. It's called The Artist Is In. Ayun nga sa film, sabi ko, I know sound, boom mic. But eventually, syempre, we're both musicians. We, sabi ko, fan ako sa tas yun, etc. Then sabi ko, gumagawa ko ng music, pare. Kami yan. So, then yun, tapos ang galing lang, I wasn't asking for it, pero he made a breakdown for almost all the songs sa first EP, and that gave me confidence also.
Alright.
And I would like to thank people who have helped me along the way. I don't know if she's listening right now, Christine. We've been together for almost 6 years now, and she's the love of my life.
Alright.
And she helped me throughout. Then ngayon si Japo was member of Paranoid City, Valet Parking. Buy their album, it's really good, by the way. Different people, too many to mention, but they know who they are. God knows, I just had a dream before. I didn't know na parang, let's see how far this would go.
Yeah.
Kasi sabi ng daddy ko, ano yan, huwag na yan, mag-Singapore ka na lang. Maganda din yan kasi dali naman ng pera. Pero sabi ko, let's risk it, let's see how far this will go.
Right.
I love music.
Okay. Do you have any upcoming gigs?
Yes, I have one on September 12. Yeah, that's here in Makati. There's this Gideon's Flame Film Festival. I'll be opening for them then soon, and I'll just announce it on my Facebook. So I really encourage everyone to add me first, so that they would know me.
Of course.
And I won't be hostile or anything. I would know, limits.
Alright.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
Guys, don't be a creep. Facebook is a dangerous thing.
Okay. So anyway, so Facebook, they just have to search for Maya Baluyot, right?
Yeah, it's without a space. Maya Baluyot. Y-U-T, please. It's not Y-O-T.
Okay, Y-U-T. Okay, alright. There's a
Apelyido yan.
Okay. Alright. Thank you very much. Any last messages to the people listening?
Yeah, thank you first of all to Mr. Nicky Floho, of course, who tinawagan niya ako. And everyone here in UR, then everyone, like, I don't know, there's too many to mention. If I'd mention, kumbaga sa Academy Awards, magkukue na yung music eh. Bababay na ako. But you guys know who you are, and si Lord din, ang bait-bait niya. I want to thank my immediate family, my girlfriend's family, everyone who I consider family, all the bands and musicians who I've played with so far, and people who I will collaborate with soon. And, I want to thank again, kahit na nagsama, si Jugs talaga. And si Miss Day Kabuhat, of Team Pupil, who has been also very encouraging. So, madami sila.
Alright, awesome. Hope to hear more stuff from you soon. Okay.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much.
Salamat po
Alright, of course, yes, that was Maya Baluyot, of course, a nice, very honest and very down-to-earth music, and really awesome. So please do get a copy of his EP, which he's selling at his gig. So please add him up on Facebook, and then he'll tell you when his next gig is. All right, next up, I got.